What is amortization? Amortization is a concept similar in theory to depreciation. While depreciation is tied to physical tangible assets such as machinery and equipment, amortization is related to intangible assets such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Intellectual property has a value that will diminish over time. For example, after 5 years, the business's exclusive rights to a patent may expire, where competitors can start using the patented process. In the meantime, however, each year that the business has exclusive rights to the patent, it needs to take an amortization expense, slowly reducing the value of that intellectual property, until that property is virtually worthless at the end of its cycle. This goes along with the generally accepted accounting principle of matching, to tie corresponding expenses to earn revenues over that same period of time. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.